welcome to FrontRow wig tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how to apply your lace front wig, but before I show you how to apply it, I must show you how to cut the lace from the wig. So before wearing your wig, you need to cut the lace in the front to match your own hairline and on the hairline of the wig. Cutting towards the hairline, slowly, because we want to get that shape. Ladies, once you've cut the lace of the front of the wig, now you can apply it. But before you apply the wig, secure your wig cap. Make sure you leave 1 centimeter of your hairline just out so that when you apply the wig, it looks more natural. So at the back of your wig, you can adjust it if you feel like it's a little bit loose. There are elastics that you can pull closer to each other so that it fits comfortably on your head. Now that we've adjusted the wig to fit comfortably on our head, we just need to comb it out so that it makes it easier to apply. When applying the wig, make sure it's close to your forehead. Tilt your head back just a little bit so that you get it to sit comfortably, and push it just a little back towards your hairline. So you'll sometimes find that the wig has a bit of a flap towards the edges. You can always just cheat the system and use double-sided tape. I just cut a bit of that. So once I've cut the tape double-sided, I'm going to put it where the flap of the wig is, just towards my hairline. So once you've removed the backing from the tape, you can now stick the flap over it. Now that I've put a bit of tape along my hairline so that the hair is nicely stuck on, I'm going to use a bit of foundation, just a shade that's darker than my own skin, to cover up where I've used some tape where the parting is. Just lightly spreading that. This will make it look more natural. What I've done, I've just put a bit more foundation towards the entire hair parting. It just makes it look more natural. Ladies, thank you so much for taking the time to watch the tutorials from FrontRow. We hope we've given you enough tips to be comfortable in applying your wig and to go out in your secured, looking beautiful